high-strength polypropylene as the main raw material. Pre-prepared polypropylene pellets are heated and extruded through an extruder into a molten state of plastic melt. This process forms continuous plastic fibers. The extruded melt is passed through a stretching mechanism to form thin plastic filaments. These plastic filaments are coated with a composite layer to enhance the strength of the tonnage bag. Plastic filaments are fed into a loom and woven into a flat fabric. The weaving can be in the classic plain weave or other special weave structures, depending on the design requirements of the tonnage bag. The cut fabric is sewn into the shape of a tonnage bag through a sewing machine to ensure strength and sealing. We have a large number of stock if you need to contact us. Waiting for your order.